Hello everyone. In today's locomotive profile I'm going to be doing is one of the most experimental locomotives of prototype, which I didn't know it existed, and I might have missed it from my locomotive video on every Union Pacific steam locomotive that you have seen before, and that is Union Pacific number 8000. Because this locomotive was only built, none of them were ever even produced. So there's a little bit of information about this locomotive. So here it goes. The Union Pacific 8000 was an experimental prototype 410-2 steam locomotive that was built by American Locomotive Company for the Union Pacific Railroad. The conclusion drawn from the test results were that it was a bit too powerful and deemed unsuccessful. It is unknown what happened to the locomotive after it was proven unsuccessful. Either it's been rebuilt to a different locomotive or it was scrapped. It did it did pave the way for a larger and more successful 9000 class 412-2s. So, and that's it for the video. Not much information about it. I could not find the date where it was scrapped, either in the 1940s or the 50s. And interesting, it does not have a railroad model, no 3-row O scale or O gauge or HO model of the locomotive. And that's where locomotives that you don't know about, because there's always secrets from every railroad that locomotives that were built, but didn't shed no light until now. So, like and subscribe, and see you later, guys.